Hello guys, I'm here again with another video about the world of computer, how to resize images in different ways. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe me to follow these useful instructions. The first way, changing the size and volume of images by Photoshop. Go to Start menu and run Photoshop. When Photoshop is run, click the Open option in the File menu and select the photo that you want to change its size. Select Image from the menu and then select Image Size. Here you can change the size of your photos. First, for example, have the size of image. The resolution is available here to change. Then click OK. The image will become smaller. Select Save As from the File menu and define a name for your new image and save it. Now, if you go to your File Explorer and take the properties on the previous image and the new image, you see that the size of the image has been decreased, for example, from 10 MB to 2.7. Again, have the size of the second image and save it. Take the specifications on the images and see that the size of the second image is reduced again. Use this process as many as you need. If you want to reduce the size of the image to specific dimensions, for example 200 in 200 pixels, first open your image in Photoshop as I explained earlier and set the parameter of dimensions, for example on 200. Remove this tick. You can set the parameter of height to 200 so that it's fixed to your desired parameter. Then save it and go back to the File Explorer and get the specifications and see the change in size and volume of the photo. The second method, change the size and volume of the photo by Paint. Open Paint application in the Start menu. Click the File tab and then Open. Select your desired image. Go to Resize, change the size and click OK. Select File from the top menu and click Save As. Select, for example, JPG format as you need. Put a name for the file in the name field and save it. You can reduce the size again and again up to suitable size. Enter the File Explorer. Take the specifications on the three last resized photos and compare them. As you see, the size of the first photo was 10 MB and it was reduced to 944 KB and again it was reduced to 312 KB. If you want to reduce the size of image to a desired parameter, select the image and then click Resize and choose Pixels and enter the desired parameter and save as before. Look again at the specifications of the photo. You can see that the size and volume of the photo are reduced. The third method, change the size and volume of the photo using the photo software that is available on Windows 10 by default. First, enter the Start menu and then type photo and run the program. Select Files from the top menu, then click Add a folder. Select the folder when the desired image is and choose the image. In the three dots menu on the above, select the Resize Image option and reduce the size of the photo. Here you can change the quality of the image. As you see, the basic characteristics of the image and the new characteristics of the image are represented. Define a name for your new file and save it in desired location. Now select the new photo again and reduce its size again. You can resize your image to the desired parameter, but the quality will be lessened. After finishing the work, enter the File Explorer and select the specifications of the photos one by one and compare them, and notice that the size of the photos has decreased. As the fourth method, change the size and volume of the photo online. Enter the address I write here. And from the Upload File section, select the desired photo. Download your new file after the size being changed. Now download all. Your photo will shrink and download. The file is saved as a zip file, which I have already taught how to extract. I leave the link of website below. The desired photo was reduced. I hope you like this video too. Please leave your comments for me to improve the quality of programs. Regards and goodbye.